Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making pumpkin flavored blender rice bread. It's a new version of blender rice bread that is easy to make and gluten free, and of course it's delicious. And it's done little over 1 hour, so enjoy the effortless and healthy recipe with me. Let's get started. Wash rice and soak it in water for 2 hours to overnight. Overnight for the best result. I use Japanese short grain rice, but long grain rice can be used, but the texture is different. Rice should turn white after absorbing water. This is very easy and simple recipe, and this is a crucial part. Soak rice overnight so the rice can be pulverized easily, even using a standard blender. Drain well and transfer to a blender along with kabocha pumpkin, peeled and cut into chunks, salt and sugar. Pour water at room temperature. Because we are using a blender, so the butter gets a chance to warm up, so the temperature should not be too high. Blend for 1 minute. Scrape down the sides occasionally to make an even batter. Add yeast and baking powder and blend for 1 more minute. It looks like quite a lot of yeast, but the rice is a heavy particle, so we need a little bit more yeast than the wheat bread. Blend for 1 minute, and last but not least, add oil and blend for 1 more minute. Let's take a look at the batter. It's sticky and smooth and looks like a paste. This is what we are aiming for. If your batter still looks grainy, blend for another 1 minute. Here is the batter after blending for 3 minutes in total. As you see, the batter is sticky and the rice grains are pulverized. And please take a look at the consistency. It should not be runny paste, but a thick paste. This is the batter you are aiming at. Pour the batter into a parchment-lined loaf pan. The batter should be filled 1/3 of the height. It's easy to dry out, so spray water to add extra moisture. Cover with a lid or plastic wrap and let it rise in a warm place. Preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius, 374 degrees Fahrenheit. It's been 20 minutes and it has risen about double in volume. Do not over-ferment for this particular bread. It's going to fall off in the middle if you over-ferment the batter. I failed so many times, and each time I failed, it was disappointing, and it tastes good even if it falls off, but it is better baking good-looking bread that makes us feel confident. Put it in the oven and bake for 30 minutes with the lid on, and take off the lid and bake another 7 to 8 minutes until golden. If you don't have a lid, cover with aluminum foil or a baking tray to cook through quickly. Take out onto the wire rack to release the steam. I love the bread baking smell in the air and it feels so good. Let it cool to room temperature for 1 hour to 2 hours before cutting. Do not slice it while still hot because the crumb still needs to be set and stick to the knife. The moment of truth. It's so perfect. Look at that color, and it smells so good. It's so soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. It has a natural sweetness from the kabocha pumpkin, and once you bite through it, you cannot stop eating. It's the best homemade gluten-free bread. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website, princessbamboo.com. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you soon. Bye!